Hi, and welcome to another Trian3DBuilder tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to use the "what you see is what you get" features, also known as WYSIWYG. Let's add some areas with an ID of forest. This vector area has an object placer modifier, as you can see here in the modifier stack. So we draw them in the 2D view, and when we're happy with it, we generate our project. As we can see, trees have been placed where we draw the areas. We can also draw in the 3D view and the area will be filled with trees. Let's go ahead and create some trees in the 3D view. Simply select the Create Points tool, choose an ID of trees and start painting in the 3D view. Over here in the Point Edit Rollup, we can, for example, randomize its rotation or scale them. Okay, so let's create more points, but this time let's change its ID to something like houses. As you can see, when we paint, these also appear in the 3D view. If we go into point mode, we can scale them or rotate them using the Use Object Center as Pivot Point. Now let's select the Area tool, choose an ID of cornfield, and create some areas. Let's try now with an ID of field. So we select the ID of field and we start drawing on the 3D view. As you can see, the texture mapping doesn't look good on this field. Let's fix that. If we take a look at the modifier stack, we can see here is a mapping modifier. With it, we can make the texture mapping look better by enabling Align to Longest Edge. Okay, let's create a river now. So we select the Line tool, choose a river ID, and start painting. As soon as we finish painting, we can see the river appears in the 3D view. We can create a street the same way. So we choose a street ID and start painting on the 3D view. Here we can also fix the mapping via the mapping modifier if we choose linear as the mapping mode. We can also define the tiling in the X and the Y coordinates over here. We can edit in 2D and 3D synchronously. To do that, we simply go to the window menu and choose 3D window. Now we can see both the 3D and the 2D views are being displayed. And we can edit vector data and see the result on both views. Okay, let's close this window for now. Lastly, let's go ahead and draw a power line. So we select the Line tool, choose an ID of Power Line, and start drawing on the 3D view. Let's generate our project now by pressing F9. So here we have our project. Let's say we're not happy with the position of the power line. One thing we can do is we select the vector in the vec tree or in the 2D view and go to the menu Vectors and then Show Selected Vec Geometries, or press F6. This will make the vector show up in the 3D view where we can edit it like any other vector in Trian3DBuilder. When we're happy with the result, we can generate the project again. Okay, perfect. So that was it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.